Every cigarette begins its journey here, where raw tobacco leaves arrive in bulk, untouched, unrefined. Up close, each leaf shows its raw structure, fibers, veins, and imperfections shaped by climate and harvest. Before machines take over, human hands remove foreign material, ensuring only suitable tobacco moves forward. The approved leaves are carried inward, transitioning from raw storage into controlled industrial processing.
At this stage, tobacco enters preconditioning, where moisture levels are carefully prepared for processing.
Humidity is adjusted inside sealed chambers, preventing breakage and preparing the leaves for cutting.
As moisture penetrates the fibers, the brittle leaves become flexible and responsive. Conditioned tobacco now moves in steady rhythm, synchronized with the factory's continuous flow.
Next, the leaves approach one of the most critical stages, precision cutting. Powerful rollers pull the leaves inward, aligning them for uniform slicing. High-speed blades slice the leaves into fine strands, defining texture and burn behavior. Each strand falls precisely, forming the base material that will later shape every cigarette. Uniformity is essential. Every millimeter matters in mass production. Quality checks continue, confirming correct cut width and flexibility. Multiple lines merge, combining volume while maintaining strict consistency.
Blending ensures even distribution, balancing moisture and texture throughout the batch.
Here, thousands of individual strands become a unified material. The prepared tobacco exits fully conditioned, consistent, and production ready.
Phase 1 ends with tobacco fully prepared, ready to be shaped into cigarettes.
Cigarette production begins with paper, precisely engineered to control burn rate and airflow. The paper feeds continuously, maintaining tension and uniform thickness.
Prepared tobacco now enters the heart of cigarette formation.
Distribution systems spread tobacco evenly to ensure consistent weight and density. The paper is folded and shaped, enclosing the tobacco into a continuous cylinder. The endless rod moves forward, perfectly shaped and uniform.
Rotary blades cut the rod into individual cigarette segments with extreme accuracy.
Each cut reveals tightly packed tobacco strands inside.
Filters are produced separately, designed to regulate smoke flow.
Filters are aligned and synchronized with cigarette segments.
Tipping paper joins filter and tobacco, forming the familiar cigarette structure.
Every joint is sealed cleanly to maintain strength and appearance.
Fully assembled cigarettes now exit the forming stage. Automated inspection checks length, alignment, and integrity.
Electronic sensors instantly detect even the smallest deviation.
Human checks add a final layer of quality control.
Approved cigarettes collect in bulk, ready for packaging.
Perfect alignment prepares them for high-speed packing. With forming complete, the process shifts toward packaging. Finished cigarettes now move into automated packaging systems. Machines count and organize each pack with precision. The cigarettes are gently loaded into branded boxes.
Each box is sealed uniformly to protect its contents. A protective wrap adds durability and tamper resistance.
Heat sealing gives every pack a clean, finished appearance. The final retail pack emerges complete and secure. Individual packs are now prepared for bulk handling.
Robotic systems build cartons quickly and accurately.
Sealed cartons mark the transition to logistics.
Every carton is labeled for traceability and compliance. Pallets are built to optimize transport and storage. In the warehouse, finished products await distribution. From raw tobacco to packaged products, the cigarette manufacturing process is complete.